Want to make your home smarter, safer, and more convenient? The best smart home gadgets of 2025 bring automation, security, and hands-free control to every corner of your space. From AI-powered cleaning robots to intelligent lighting and security devices, these gadgets will change how you live. If you want to check out any of these, all the product links are in the description below. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is a game changer for those who want hands-free cleaning without the hassle. This advanced self-emptying robot vacuum and mop features AI-powered obstacle detection, ensuring it avoids pet waste, cables, and unexpected clutter while efficiently cleaning. The self-emptying base means you won't have to touch dirt for up to 60 days. And with smart mapping, you can set room-specific cleaning schedules directly from your phone. Whether you use Alexa, Google Assistant, or the iRobot app, this vacuum seamlessly integrates into your smart home ecosystem. Want a vacuum that does all the work for you? Check the link in the description. Transform your living space with the Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit, which brings fully customizable, voice-controlled lighting to your home. The kit includes 3 smart LED bulbs, a smart button for easy manual control, and the Hue Bridge, allowing seamless integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. These bulbs can display 16 million colors, letting you set the mood for gaming, movie nights, or relaxation with a simple voice command or app control. You can even create automated schedules, so lights turn on when you wake up or off when you leave, saving energy and adding convenience. Want to upgrade your home lighting? Check the link below. The Google Nest Protect 2nd generation is more than just a smoke detector. It's a smart safety device that keeps your home protected with real-time alerts. Unlike traditional alarms that just beep, Nest Protect sends notifications directly to your phone in case of smoke or carbon monoxide detection, even when you're not home. It uses split-spectrum sensors to differentiate between slow-burning and fast-burning fires, reducing false alarms from cooking smoke. With built-in voice alerts, it tells you exactly where the issue is, and if it's a minor problem, you can silence it right from your phone. Looking for an intelligent way to keep your home safe? Check the link in the description. The Amazon Echo Show 15 is the ultimate smart home hub designed to help organize your home, entertain your family, and control all your devices in one place. Featuring a 15.6-inch HD touchscreen, it can act as a smart display, digital photo frame, kitchen TV, and interactive control panel for your entire smart home setup. With Alexa voice commands, you can stream Netflix, manage shopping lists, display calendars, control smart lights and cameras, and even follow along with step-by-step recipes. Whether mounted on a wall or placed on a stand, this device is a must-have for busy households looking for a smart assistant with a visual interface. Want an all-in-one smart display for your home? Check the link below. For those who need a compact yet powerful smart assistant, the Amazon Echo Spot is a perfect addition to any nightstand, desk, or kitchen counter. This smart alarm clock comes with a customizable digital display, allowing you to choose between different clock faces, weather updates, or even personal reminders. With Alexa built in, you can set alarms, listen to audiobooks, check your schedule, and control other smart home devices with just your voice. The built-in speakers let you play music from Spotify, Apple Music, or Amazon Music, making it a versatile little gadget that does more than just wake you up. Need a compact smart home gadget? Check the link in the description. Let us know in the comments which smart home device caught your eye. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and home automation recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.